Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am making mango flambè. For that we require the following ingredients: butter, sugar, mango and the rum on which we will make the mango flambè. First goes the butter. Until the butter makes a sizzling sound and it completely melted, do not put the sugar to it. The butter is melting, it's making a sizzling sound. Yes, the butter is completely melted as you can see and making a sizzling sound. Now I'll put some sugar in it. And I will caramelize the sugar.
Another chef has overtaken.
Yes, the sugar has been caramelized as you can see. Now I'm putting mangoes into it. And we mix the mango with the sugar. And now, once the mango is
I'll pour it in.
well caramelized along with the sugar, we will now put the rum. Here comes the rum. Measuring the measure of it. And we pour the rum into the flambè. And then we strain it out.
Shreya! That just looks incredible.
And your flambè is ready. There you go. And
Wonderful,
just keep it
wonderful.
for a while.
It's just
And
wonderful.
switch it off. Very much.